Good morning. How are you all? Okay, good. Mustafa Kazi, hi.
Good morning, ma'am.
Beta, can you please start your video? Nice sunset in the background, huh? Nice. Feels very good to see the sunset. But I think we should have more of a sunrise in the class, right? Just kidding. Yeah. Can't hear you, Mema. What are you saying? You're muted.
I told that I'm just outside the world.
Yes, you are outside the world, right? Good, good. Now Mustafa is in America. See?
No, now he's with me. He's beside me. Look.
Oh
Now he's in
yeah,
grass.
he's beside you now. Yeah, exactly. Now
Now he
he's
went
gone
in
in the
the grass.
grass. He's gone like an ant in the grass. Now he's
I'll
gone
go
to
with
San
him wherever.
Francisco.
Look, I'm back.
Oh, you're both in the same country. Good, good, good. Nice.
Same place.
Hmm. Yeah. He's now in space. Mustafa is in
And
space now.
I'm in Avengers. I'm with Avengers.
You're in the Avengers movie. Oh, okay. Okay. I think you're a new star added to the Avengers, huh? Mustafa is in space now. See, he's defying gravity.
Look, I am behind. I am.
Uh-huh. You are back home again. Nice.
No, this is my room.
This is you.
Yeah. No, this is my room.
Ah, that is your room. Wow, nice room.
And this is in the hall, which I took photo.
Okay, okay.
It was art class. That's why I was sitting down.
Okay, okay. I like your hair falling like that. It looks very nice for that. Yeah. Anyway, it's good that you are already grounded in your spaceship, but Mustafa is flying in the air. See, I mean in the space.
I'm upside down.
I know you're upside down. Really.
I can also do.
Have you all ever seen like videos of people in space how they do like normal tasks that we do? You know, like
But in space. And they sleep standing in the space.
yeah.
And they eat something that, because in the space everything is made, so they can't eat salad and roti.
Exactly. And even when they have to drink water, for example, suppose they
Yeah.
have to drink water, it's so difficult for them to drink water also. And even now to wash hair, they have a particular shampoo which they have to just put for the scalp and leave it, and then nothing happens then. It just cleans it and finishes it. They have to just comb it away. Yeah. Hi, Yusuf. A very good morning to you.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi. You know what? Yesterday I was in the right class, okay? And you know whose brother I met? Siddharth's brother.
I told you.
Yusuf, did you have a good breakfast, beta? Yeah?
No, ma'am.
Oh, you just got up. You just got up.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay, okay. Did you sleep well?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, nice. Yeah. I like the design on your wall, Yusuf. It looks very nice. Oh, he doesn't even know there's a design behind him. There's a nice design on your wall. I hope you know.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, you didn't notice it. Huh? Anyway. Okay. And I don't know why Mustafa is still hanging. Mustafa, you're still hanging in my class. Whose hand is that, Umema?
My sisters.
Your sister's hand, okay. So you have one elder sister, Umema?
One elder sister, one elder brother.
Oh, okay. So you are the smallest then. Oh, you must be getting all the love and the attention, right, Umema?
Yes, but they even are not.
You must be the special one in the house, right, Umema?
Yes,
Ah, I know, I can tell.
my sister is talking something I don't even understand right now. She's talking Jude.
Oh, Mustafa Qazi, I want you to come back to class, please. Thank you. Because I don't like to look at you like that hanging. I'm feeling giddy looking at you like that. Mustafa, please come back to class. Umar, hi, good morning. Umar, can you please start your video, Umar?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes.
Good morning, Christina ma'am also. Oh, she's gone. Mama, you cut your hair. Why? Ah, okay, okay, okay. Hmm. Mustafa Qazi, did you do your homework?
Yes.
Very good. Yusuf, did you do your homework? I think Yusuf's video is frozen. No, it's not frozen. He's in the class. Oh my, I thought he was frozen. Sorry. Because he was like this. And I thought he's frozen. You. Okay, Yusuf, did you do your homework?
Ma'am, which one? Which homework?
Which homework he's asking me? Which homework? You don't know which homework I gave.
Ma'am, what did you give?
News report. Whom am I saying? News report.
Ma'am, I had fever, so I cannot do it.
Oh, you had fever, Yusuf. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay. It's okay. I excuse you.
Hello, good morning, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Hi. Good morning. Good morning. How are you, Omar?
Fine.
Good. Good. Oh, you will do it today. Okay. Okay. And we have somebody who is joining with the name Alfia Soni. Is this Alfia, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. It is Alfia, ma'am.
Yeah, it is Alfia, ma'am. Yeah, we'll just wait for.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, it's been assignment news report, right?
Who's it? Who is it?
Ma'am, it's
Umar.
me, Muhammad Ali.
It's you, Muhammad Ali. Oh,
Ma'am, you told that
you joined
assignment
in with
and
ma'am's ID.
ma'am, so I forgot, so I will do it today.
Ayyo, you forgot. How you forgot, beta? Okay. So, Muhammad Alfia ma'am is your mom?
Not mom, aunt.
Aunt. Okay. Okay, got it. And now Sidra has to join. Yeah, you know, I like when everybody's in the class and I can do the revision. You know, it becomes much more easier for me in that way. Yeah. So, should I change your name, Muhammad Ali? Or you're going to change it?
Wait,
Ma'am, you can change.
I'll change. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Better. Mm. Yes,
Ma'am,
Umar.
it's you. Ma'am, it's you.
ma'am, good morning.
Good morning, Mariam. Hi.
Ma'am, I'm finishing my breakfast.
Okay. Okay. So, shall we revise then what we have done? I have already posted the syllabus in the group, in the Google Classroom. Have you all checked it? Yes. Have you all checked it, children?
No,
Why?
but I'll check it. But I'll check it.
Please check it. All right. So let's begin then today. Okay, wait, what we're supposed to do. Sorry for that sound. So we will be doing Tricks and Truth, Unit 3, Unit 4, Fantastic Journeys, and 5, Amazing Animals. Okay, all these things I have covered with you. So these things are going to come for the assessment. Okay, Muhammad Ali? Nice teeth you have.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta?
bugs are also coming.
Sorry?
Bugs.
No, Bugs is not coming. The Bugs is not bugging you. Don't worry. I threw the bug out. Just kidding. Yeah, why you want the bug to bug you? Huh? Tricks and Truth, Amazing Animals.
Bugs.
You like bugs?
No, I don't.
You don't. Okay.
I only like spider.
Okay. So we have Tricks and Truth, Fantastic Journeys,
And fruit.
and Amazing Animals. ठीक है? very simple, very easy, and comprehension तो ऐसे ही हो जाएगा, and the grammar part also is very easy. Okay. Can anyone tell me how many species of dolphins are there? If anybody knows the answer, raise your hand.
30.
30. Very good. Now,
15, 50.
huh?
2. I only know 2 types of dolphins.
Umar, how many types of dolphins are there?
What? How
How
many?
many types of dolphins?
I know. I don't know.
What? I don't know is not an answer, baby. You have to say nicely.
20 or 25 or 30.
In the exam, what are you going to write? 15, 20, 30.
30. It is 30. 30.
If you write 15, you will get a 0. I hope you don't want a 0, huh? Then after you can collect all the zeros and then you can make baida fry, huh? Right now? I hope you don't want to do that in the exam and get baidas upon baidas upon baidas, right? Am I right, Umema? Am I talking sense? If you write 15, he's going to get a baida, right?
Ma'am. Full 9 baidas.
Okay. Tiger cubs and orangutans were friends in the zoo, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, why was this behavior unusual?
Because, of course, tigers eat food.
Of course, tigers are what, Muhammad Ali?
What's that called?
Mustafa Kazi, can you tell me? Don't hide over there, please.
They are carnivores.
Very good. Tigers are carnivores. So, who would be food for the tiger?
Oh my God,
Sheep. Orangutan.
orangutan, ma'am.
Exactly. The orangutan would be food. But they were friends. So, this behavior was unusual. Okay. Good. Wow. I want to ask this question to Muhammad Ali because when I was writing this question, I was remembering Muhammad Ali. Okay. What simile does the author use to describe Yeti's eyes?
Saucers.
Sorry?
Saucers.
Saucers. Very good. Okay, good. Yusuf.
What did he say?
Saucers.
Saucers, right?
The simile saucers, no? Big eyes the Yeti had.
Oh yeah, sorry.
The simile, yeah. Okay. Great. Y'all all know what's a simile, right? We have done that. Yeah, okay. Now, the question is for Yusuf. Yusuf, will you answer this question, baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Why does Yeti have big ear lids? Why does Yeti have big ear lids? Do you know?
Ma'am, to listen when somebody is coming.
Okay, that's a common sense answer. He's using his ears to listen. But why does he have big ear lids? What's a ear lid?
Ma'am, can I say?
Of course you can say, Mustafa.
They have ear lids because the Himalayan winds are very strong and they can get earache, so it avoids them.
Very good. The Himalayan winds are very strong, so that he'll not have a earache. That is the reason his ears are big earlids. Good, good, good.
Ma'am, I am having a earache. It's so annoying.
Same here, Muhammad Ali. I'm also having a very bad earache. This one is paining like anything. I'm actually sick from Sunday. Not keeping too well.
Ma'am, when I'm chewing, all the when I'm biting, all the it's coming in my ear. It's pain.
Ma'am,
Me too. When I'm swallowing anything, no, it pains over here. Now this all this area is paining for me, and this ear is also left one. Yours also left ear, Muhammad Ali, or right ear? Left ear, no? Muhammad Ali, which ear is paining?
Yes, ma'am, this one.
Left one. Okay. What happened to Mariam Khan? I think her thing got stuck. Okay. Now I'm going to ask Umar a question. Okay, Umar, I feel to ask you. Are you ready? See his eyes. Okay. What did Li Hua buy at the cafe?
what ma'am? What did Li Hua buy?
At the cafe.
Mooncake.
Remember, don't say the answer, sweetie. He has to say the answer.
Sorry.
It's okay. Umar, you are the answer is already said, right? So I have to give you another one. How did the judge explain the payment?
By by taking the money. No. Ma'am, 1 minute.
I just want to inform you children that we are going to be doing revision right now. For the next week also I'll be doing revision, and if any child doesn't know the answer, I'm going to send a personal note to the parent. Okay, or I'm specifically going to ask Christina ma'am for the parent's number, and I'm going to speak to the parent. All right, so kindly please take your revision seriously as I am taking it seriously. Okay, because trust me, you don't want me to send a
Ma'am, I
note.
see all the recordings.
You may see all the recordings, but you have to take part in the revision in the class. Otherwise, it's no use, huh? So if you don't answer in next week and you don't know the answers, you also have to send me your news report, these two homeworks. You all are going to revise unit 3, unit 4 and unit 5, okay? As well as you all are going to study the report, write the news report and come. And if you don't do it, then on Tuesday, I'm going to take the numbers from Christina ma'am. Christina ma'am has all your parents' numbers, and I'm going to speak specifically to that child's parent who is not, paying attention in class and who's not doing revision. Okay. And really, children, trust me, you don't want me to do this, right? Yeah. So I want you to take this thing seriously because English is very important in our daily life. Okay. So don't take it lightly. Okay. And I don't want your answers to start from because or one word. Remember, this is English language. So the answer should be in one sentence. Okay. Umar, I hope you understand what I'm saying.
I have a question.
Yes.
But if there's a question like the answer should be only one word, so we have to.
Yeah, it depends on the question. It's like, for example, if it is like the meaning of something. then yes, you will answer me in one word. But if I'm asking you a comprehension answer and you give me in one word, then I'm going to specifically talk to your parent and tell them that, look, your child has answered only in one word. Because I am teaching you over here to answer in one sentence, right? Because in English, we always have to answer in one sentence, never in one line, and never start with because. Yeah? Good. All right. Anybody has any questions to ask so far about the assessment, you can ask me.
Ma'am.
Yes, Muhammad Ali?
Ma'am, what was that word which you told again? If you ask that we will have to write top sentences, because I'm not good with all the dictionary words.
Ma'am.
Sweetie, I'm not talking about dictionary words. And Muhammad Ali, I want to tell you something. You answer in class. I'm not saying that you don't answer in class, but I don't like those one word answers.
Yeah.
You don't understand. I will repeat the question. Sorry if I'm sounding too loud. I will repeat the question again, and then you listen, and then you say the answer in a sentence. Like, for example, when I asked you the question, what simile does the author use to describe Yeti's eyes? You said what in one word? Saucers. Your answer is right. But in the exam, I may give you only half mark for that because it is just one word answer, right? I want the answer to be in one sentence. So how it is going to be? The author uses the simile saucers to describe Yeti's eyes. I want the answer in that manner. Yes, Mustafa Kazi?
Are you going to give a revision sheet? A revision worksheet?
Yes, I'm going to give a revision next week. And I've already told Unit 3, Unit 4 and Unit 5 from the Tiger book. Okay? You have Saturday, Sunday, Monday, 3 days you have. And Tuesday. 4 days, sorry. Wednesday, right? 4 days. I feel they are more than enough to revise all the units. And also, I want you to write your news report. Okay? I understand in the holidays, nobody has looked at the books. I completely understand that, no problem. But now, children, after this week, next week are the assessments. Okay? Just 1 minute, children. Okay, children. So, I guess now I'm going to end the class. Please come prepared for the next class, okay? Take care and bye. All the best.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.